So, Mette, can you share a case study where you made a great impact for a client?
Absolutely. One of the things that's very important and that's often undervalued is the impact that leaders have to make a difference simply by living and communicating the change. One client had made a fairly big public blunder, and they started simply in every single meeting by discussing this topic, by living the values, simply by making sure that everybody in the company understands what behavior is required, what values the company stands for. They were able to make a dramatic change of how people lead and of how people behave in that company. It is about understanding what are the values, what is the behavior that is needed for me as a leader to bring this company to success.